Yeah, so today we're doing a little deep clean on this floor here, because we don't power wash it anymore, so it get bad color. So we're gonna put some 12% bleach soap and scrub it. Yeah, so this is the after. We scrub and bleach, looking much better, looking brighter. Yeah, not bad. We had a little time on our hand today, so we put some work in. And that's how it's gonna be. Find a little time, we put a little time in it. Look at the step. Beautiful. Looking good. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah. Good job today.